Hello, strawberry kid. No. Hi. Ow.
Okay, I'll do the video. Tell me once to start.
Brooke, you gotta aim. You gotta have the aim over right there, like over. Yeah. Now, look, just have it. Let's show the drive first. Just have the one that's supposed to drive.
I could not see you.
One, you have to aim it at it. Sometimes, Brooke. How to do it? So aim it at Devin's car. Brooke, you have to.
I saw it.
You have to have it aim at the cars. Like make it follow the cars. Alright, come on. This is mine. Mine is right here.
Yeah, we need more light.
Oh, crap.
Can I start it?
Hold on, wait.
I didn't.
It's already started.
Oh.
Yeah, we need more lights. Okay. We need more light. Yeah.
I have a flashlight.
Yes, we'll use that. Yes, use that, please.
Oh no, it's gonna fall.
Okay, our videos are now on laptop, or let's have this. We need more light over there. Devin, I'll go to. Alright. Is it good enough? Can you see that? Did you turn on that light up there? Yeah. Dude, turn it off. Are you? Well, then we don't. Oh wait, we have. Yeah, we have light because of the flashlight.
This is lighter.
Okay, now. Yeah, let's see if they can see. Perfect. Alright, now aim it over there at the cars. Yeah, aim it over at the cars. Go over, have the camera at. Yeah, but we're gonna show our car though. Shine the light in my car.
Down.
See it?
Down. They can see it.
That's my car. Got it
That's
for Christmas.
Devin's car.
Got it for Christmas.
And
by the
there's
way,
my
it is
brothers.
Christmas today. This is Mr. Williams' car. Yeah. Isn't it sick? Trying to race.
Wait,
Ready?
don't start it.
Alright. Aim it at the cars. And then
Wait.
as it moves, move the laptop too. So we're gonna put it like right there.
We
How
need
good
the
is-
flashlight.
Let's move it back here.
Hey guys, this light is more. Look, you see these cars?
But then we can't see the floor.
No, look.
There, now it's good.
Look, I'm
Bro-
putting my flashlight in the darkness.
Oh crap.
Get it?
Yeah, they can see it.
I gave the.
Brooke, shine the light right there.
Look at that.
Horrible idea. Horrible idea. Just kidding. So Brooke,
Dude, you messed it up. What the heck?
oh, we still got that. Alright. Whoa, dude, it was perfect until you had to do that.
Brooke, you
Okay,
messed
Brooke, shine the light over there.
Brooke, you should probably be right here so the people can see the winner. Wait.
Alright. Back a bit. Alright, wait. Now, Brooke, go have it like in right there and then move it along as our cars go to the finish line. Let me use this stupid car. Okay. 3, ready, set, go! Move it. You put me in the wall. I will. Okay, race 2.
Do I end
Oh, no.
Do I end it, Devin?
No.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! I win. No, you have to go past the finish line. I won. Whoa!
Devin, is your car okay? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay.
Alright. Guys.
Nope, this is race 3.
Okay.
Final race.
This is the final race.
Alright,
It's
come on.
I bet I'll win. No matter what, I'll win. Because I got 2 points, you got none. So if you get the point, then we'll have a final round on the field.
And my brother has a
3,
blue
2,
one.
1. We're horrible at driving. Dude, you keep pushing me in the wall. That's basically cheating.
Yeah, Matthew wins. He gets the golden.
Alright.
We will be aiming at me.
Oh, please subscribe.
We will do this. We will do more tomorrow.
Actually, today. We will do more today.
Goodbye.